This is Rondie, first time in Africa.
Nice.
What's your name?
Richmore.
Richmore.
Yeah.
So I'm excited. This is Kenilworth, South Africa.
Yeah.
I'm in the neighborhood of the tourists.
Mainly, there's more and more tourists staying here nowadays.
The road is pretty good. You stay on the left side.
Yeah, we stay on the left-hand side. Which country are you from?
I'm from New York.
New York, yes.
Brooklyn. You know Brooklyn?
I've heard about Brooklyn now.
Yes, sir.
I stay in a suburb called Brooklyn, yeah.
You stay in the suburbs called Brooklyn?
Yeah.
Brooklyn is no suburbs.
So we've got a suburb here called Brooklyn as well.
There is a suburb here?
Yeah.
Oh, Brooklyn?
That is where I stay, yeah.
Oh, that's where you stay? Really? How long you've lived in Cape Town? You mind if I interview you?
Nah, I've lived here for 15 years now.
Yeah? I gotta get your number, so you know all over the place.
I'm not all over the place, yeah.
Okay, okay.
Yeah. So, what are you up to in Guguletu today?
Well, today I'm gonna meet a friend. Weather is nice.
Yeah.
So it's more tourists. The roads are very nice.
Yeah, the roads are very nice, and it's quiet on the roads as well.
Yeah? So your friends, 15 years, Cape Town. You like it?
I love it. I'm originally from Zimbabwe, and I've seen things which I've never seen in my life. Like, we don't have an ocean there by us, and it's something which made me excited to be here. So I was excited as the way you're excited to be in Africa for the first time.
Oh man, I'm going to be 45, and let me tell you, I haven't taken off my shoes yet.
Yeah.
I'm supposed to kiss the ground. That last night was a little stressful.
Yeah.
But I didn't get the greeting I wanted. I wanted dancing girls and the whole drumming thing. I didn't see the lines yet. Nothing. So
the lines you're going to see them when you go to the game reserve. Eh?
Oh, game reserve! Wow.
There is lots of them, but they're kept in game parks.
Wow, they totally locked the lines down.
But tell me, when you were preparing to come here, what were you expecting?
No. My expectation is just this for Cape Town. But I'm from Jamaica, so I'm looking for the market ladies selling fruits. My first agenda is to see the woman in the market selling fruits, meet with them, look at them, trying to find if I find my family.
Yeah.
I'm trying to look for people who look like me.
Yeah.
But the South Africans are a little short right now, so.
Yeah. I saw you're a huge man, eh?
You're from Zimbabwe.
Yeah, we are short and we are thick as well, eh?
You're thick?
Yeah.
Where are the big Africans, the big ones?
So
Probably
Nigerians.
Congo.
Nigeria has got some huge guys, eh? So you get some huge guys from Nigeria.
Wow.
So mostly from East Africa, Nigeria, Cameroon.
Wow, man. So you love your life. You have kids?
No, I do have 2 kids, a girl and a boy.
So what do you do for work?
No, this is my full-time job, Uber.
Yeah?
I survive by driving Uber.
So you're busy all the time?
We've got our quiet moments. Like now, we're getting into winter now. It's our quiet moment.
So you mean I could just get a car and come here and live and drive Uber?
We can. We are surviving by driving Uber.
Wow.
I've been doing this for 3 years.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is
You'll
good.
be your own boss, and you determine how many hours you want to work, how much money you want to make.
Wow. Wow.
So how long have you been staying in New York?
You don't want to hear that. 27 years, bro.
Really? So that's why the Jamaican accent is gone, eh?
No, I perfected the art of language.
Is it?
Whenever I want, I could...
If you go to Jamaica, you speak like a Jamaican.
Yes, sir.
And what's your favorite music?
Oh, it's reggae.
Reggae?
Yes, sir.
And do you know our popular musician called Lucky Dube who died?
Lucky Dube who got robbed.
Yeah. He was good, eh? Have you ever listened to his music?
Of course. Lucky Dube is powerful.
Was he? Do you think he was any popular in Jamaican community?
Lucky Dube? Yes, he was respected as Dennis Brown. reggae has transcended. Lucky Dube is up there. He's up there. When he died, that was a big blow to us.
Oh yeah.
You know, we were just like, wow, he was a legend to us.
Yeah, he was. You know, like, you know, I listened to most of his music, and you know, like, you know, it's something, you know. I've brought as much DVDs as I could, you know,
from Lucky Dube.
Yeah.
I gotta get your number.
He was a true reggae man, eh?
I gotta get your number.
No, I'll give you my number. I'll definitely give you my number. How long are you going to be around?
A week here, and I know Zimbabwe. There's some malaria.
No, it's mainly in Zambia. Zambia usually is malaria.
Oh, Zambia.
But when you travel in Africa, though, you know, you have to be vaccinated. Yeah.
Even in the south, because they say in the south it's okay.
Yeah, in South Africa it's okay, but I mean, you know, mainly, you know, I know people going to Zambia, Malawi. So even me myself, if I want to go to Zambia or Malawi, I have to get a shot of, you know, malaria vaccination.
Okay. Wow. Look at this place. Definitely, McDonald's is right there, which I'm not going.
Yeah.
And another thing, I need local food. I mean, my friend has to be authentic, cooked by the woman. I can never buy food. That's another challenge I have. When I come to Africa,
eat African food.
Oh, I need it from that woman.
Now, you know, to Google it too. And, you know, like, you know, obviously your friend, you know, knows, you know, the hotspots, you know, where, you know, you can get good food. There's a place called Mzoli's in Google it too. So probably they'll suggest, you know, to take you there.
Yeah.
Or you can get, if you're a meat person, a barbecue, African barbecue.
Really?
Yeah, so...
What's your religion?
I'm Christian.
You're Christian, okay.
Yeah,
There's a lot of Christians here, right?
Yeah, it's a Christian nation, mostly.
Okay.
It's a mixture, but then, you know, it's, I don't know if they call it like it's a Christian nation or what.
Jumbo, what's that?
That's a wholesaler, you know, grocery wholesaler.
Okay. So okay.
So all the grocery stuff, you know, you'll be sorted.
Go to Jumbo.
Yeah.
And you drive on the left.
Yeah, we drive on the left.
Do you turn on right?
If it's, like now, if I wanted to go on that side, you know, I can turn right there. But
with the stoplight?
Yeah, so but still stick on my left hand side when I'm on the other side.
So even on this, can you turn on the red?
Yeah, to go on that side.
But if it's red, you still can turn.
No, we wait for it, you know, like if it's orange, then, you know, I still have got an option to turn. Okay. But if it's red, then, you know, you don't turn at all.
I see your stoplights look different. These are things that I noticed, you know? How's the crime here?
Crime is there, and, you know, you know, the security, you know, thing, you know, is, you know, like, don't walk in the dark. Don't try and not ask for direction from an ordinary person. Look for people in uniform, like, you know, security guards. Or, you know, like, you know, look, Uber has been around for a long time. So rather, you know, requesting Uber, no matter how short the distance is, put in the address of where you want to go, we'll get you there, you know, without any problems.
No cash transfer, just boom.
Yeah, so mainly, you know, there's no cash transfer there.
Someone told me not to drive with your windows down.
So you see, you know, this is the lowest I go, huh?
This is the lowest you go?
Yeah. So this is the lowest.
Yo, Jamaican, check this out. This is the lowest the bridge go. Look on this.
Yeah?
Yo, Jamaican, see there? Right now in Jamaica, we can... I shouldn't do that because other people want to hear this.
Yeah.
Right now, this is amazing. This is the lowest you go in Cape Town as far as the windows. Right, look at that. Wow, let's turn this off.
This one,
yeah. Look at that. That's the lowest you go.
I would rather use aircon, you know, for me to be safe.
And what happened if you go lower?
Now, at certain traffic lights, you know, that is where, you know, you just
People come and you lock your doors.
Yeah, my doors are locked. So, you know, whenever you stop, you know, you can get, you know, someone at your window, you know, without you, you know, like, you know, it happens so quick, eh?
Wow.
And also, you know, like, you know, in the townships, like where you're going now, You know, definitely, you know, if you've got someone like now you're going to see a friend who stays there, then it's good, you know, then, you know, like, you know, you are safe to walk around with a friend. But then try not, you know, to walk in areas you don't really know, you know, like.
So I'm going to Guguleto.
Guguleto.
Is that like a ghetto?
It's a ghetto, yeah. That's proper township, eh?
Proper township. You see, that's. I want to see the proper people.
You will definitely see now.
Oh yes, I'm seeing the proper people already.
Yeah.
Oh yes. Okay, they see you. Okay, I see.
I see our women as well, eh?
Yes, sir.
Nice caves. African women.
Yes, sir. Look at this. Wow.
Here's a train, eh?
Somebody told me not to take the train.
Yeah, don't. I wouldn't advise you
to take the train. So this is Rondie. I'm in Cape Town, South Africa. Massive, big, large. Have to speak English. A lot of people all over the world want to see this. Wow. I'm in Cape. I can't believe it. See, this is the real thing. Similar to Jamaica.
Oh, is it?
But the road is much better.
It's Jamaican road, you know, worse than this.
It's the worst in the world. If you fall in a pothole, you might not come back.
I've seen the West in Africa as well.
Yeah.
Cape Town is too kept, you know, very nice and clean.
Yeah.
And well serviced, you know, the roads and stuff. But I've seen West potholes as well.
Oh, you got some horses there.
Some horses as well, yeah.
Some horses. This is Cape Town. And the garbage is there. Who's responsible for all this garbage?
Yeah, in the townships, you know, people just throw away, you know, like we call this, what you call ghetto, we call it a township.
Township.
So this is, you know, people, you know, just throwing away garbage. Those are our minibus taxis.
Oh, what stop is this?
So this is, you know, like, you know, a taxi rank. Where, you know, like, you know, people here around here, they go and, you know, get their taxis from there.
Oh, I see. The real deal.
So there is our women, you know, that's exactly African women I was telling you.
Okay, I see.
You see?
Yes, they eat well.
They eat well, eh?
You know,
well taken care of.
There's not a lot of challenges here for food.
They
where did they get the food from? The farms where?
No, we most of our meat and stuff is actually imported. Most of our chicken are coming from Argentina, Brazil.
Really?
Yeah. So, and those are like fed stuff, you know, people are eating.
Wow. So you don't eat much.
Local chicken is quite expensive, you know, for you to get.
Oh. So wow. Yeah. I noticed there a lot of them. They're small people. Like
yeah. Like mainly South African.
They all look like Mandela to me.
Yeah.
Wow.
So now you're in the ghetto, eh?
For us, this is not totally. Jamaica ghetto is a different vibe.
Yeah.
But I get it. This is similar to Kingston. And okay, but it's something I'm used to.
Oh, all right.
I'm used to all of this. I could walk around here. My energy is that powerful.
Yeah.
You know? I love this vibe because this is where some of the real people, you know, the real struggle, the real stories.
Yeah.
You know? Real challenges. When you go to a country and you want to talk to the real people.
Now here you meet quite a lot of people and people with different backgrounds.
But they're all short.
They are all short.
Wow. Yes. Wow. Wow. Okay. It's gonna be a hot day today. Okay. Yes. Life tough.
Yeah.
So how's the water situation here?
No, the water situation, we are all, under the same bracket where, we try and use as less as possible.
Do they
like
have
50 liters per person?
Do they have meters here also?
They do have meters as well.
Oh. And
200 meters.
You just had rain?
We had some showers. It's more like, a drop in the ocean.
Okay.
So we had some showers the past week.
And it's making things better for people.
So we are hoping now, April, May, we are going to get, more and more rainfall.
Turn left.
So this is proper now, the real township where, you can see, these people staying in these
200
houses.
meters.
The guy I'm checking?
These ones there.
Okay. Yes, the real thing. This is what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
This is the real deal. But, they live here, but they don't organize the garbage.
They don't. There's two, pile it up there, so that the city council will come and pick it up for them. So now, the effect now is because, there's a...
This is, what you call this place? This is Teba, the legend reggae artist, Dan.
He just woke up now.
How old are you now, Teba?
I was born in 1974. So
make you about 40...
44.
44?
Man has been around,
Yeah, so the real
so
thing.
I'm 44 years young. That's how I say it, positive. See,
How long you been doing the music?
It's 20 years now, professionally, It's been a very rugged road, but full of lessons, life lessons, music, reggae music, You see this music? That saved my life, Maybe I was either too slow or too fast for a classroom. So the music put me to the world, from Lesotho to Fiji. Yes, Mama.
This is your mother?
No.
I want to see Mama.
Yeah, she said, corner, Mama. Magadi.
Zimbabwe.
Yeah.
You want to talk Shona?
I want to talk Shona.
Yeah, Magadi.
Magadi.
Mangwanani.
Mangwanani.
Yeah, Mangwanani. Mararase.